So that one, if you want to define, you want to change the description. There's another way that how you would be able to change this description. Now this you need to take help from technical team. I will let you know how it can be happen. So first thing you need to know that this field description, you want to change it. You need to press F1 here and go to the technical data. And here you need to know the field name KVGR1. So KVGR1 is the field and KNVV is the table. So this KVGR1 description, we want to change it. So the process I have mentioned here in the mind map, if you want to do that. So under the customer groups, how we would be adding a customer group description. Okay, again, I am saying you need to take a help from technical team. So this transaction as a functional consultant, we don't use it. So you will be going to the transaction code C mode. When you go to the transaction code C mode, you can go into the go to text enhancements and keywords. C mode transaction, go to text enhancements, keywords. And there basically system would be asking you that what is your data element. Here we'll be putting a data element KVGR1, which we have taken here by pressing F1. We have taken the technical field name that you will be putting KVGR1. And then you would be able to change it, the short field labels, you would be able to change it that this is my revenue group. Okay. So again, this is the process, but this need to be done by the technical consultants. Function consultants are not supposed to handle this C mode, but this is a quick step by which you would be able to change the description or the field labels of your SAP fields. So you can have this revenue groups, you can have another customer as a market grouping, risk grouping, that names you can change it. These names you can change it.